Watch me, Lily. I can jump.
Be careful, Tom.
Here I go. Ah! Ah, my hurts.
Ah! Tom, are you okay? Mom! Dad! Come fast, please!
Don't touch my arm, Millie.
I won't. I'm here with you.
What happened? Tom!
I'm coming! Hold on!
Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready. I smell pancakes.
Me too. Let's go.
Can I have more, Mom?
You just sat down, Tom.
Good morning, family.
Dad, cakes.
The garden looks nice today.
Yes, the kids can play there.
Can I jump off the wall, Dad?
No jumping off walls, Tom.
I can do it, though.
Tom, Dad said no. Let's play a game, Tom.
Yes! Something fun! I'm so fast! Look at me!
I can see you, Tom.
They're playing so well today.
Good. They need fresh air.
I can climb the wall, Lily!
Tom, no. Dad said no. Tom, please come down.
Don't worry! I got this! Watch me, Lily! I can jump!
Be careful, Tom.
Here I go! Ah! Ah, my hurts!
Tom, are you okay?
No! It hurts so much!
Mom! Dad! Come fast, please!
Don't touch my arm, Millie.
I won't. I'm here with you.
Tom! I'm coming!
What happened? I'm here!
Tom, sweetheart, look at me.
My arm, Mom. It hurts.
I know, I'm here now.
Don't move your arm, Tom.
It hurts when I move it.
Amy, we need to go now.
I'll get the bag.
Is Tom's arm broken, Dad?
We're going to find out. I'll help you stand up, buddy.
Please go slow, Dad.
I have the bag. Let's go.
Good. Car's ready.
I'm scared, Mom.
I know, sweetheart. Me too. It hurts so much, Mom.
I know.
Hold my hand.
Hold on. We're going now. You're so brave, Tom.
I don't feel brave. I'm sorry, Tom.
It's not your fault, Lily.
Almost there, baby.
Will the doctor hurt me?
The doctor will help you. They will make the pain stop.
Promise?
I promise, Tom. Okay, Mom.
We're here. The hospital.
Tom, we're at the hospital.
I see it. I'm scared.
I'll carry you inside, Tom.
Yes, please, Dad.
My son hurt his arm. He needs help.
How old is he?
He's 6 years old.
My arm still hurts, Mom.
The doctor is coming soon.
Will Tom be okay, Dad?
Yes, he'll be okay.
It's my fault, Dad.
It's not your fault, Lily.
I was watching.
You told him to stop.
He didn't listen.
That's not your fault.
When is the doctor coming?
Very soon, Tom. Tom Watson, please come in. Hello, Tom. I'm Dr. Chen.
Hello.
Can you show me your arm? I'll be very gentle, okay?
Okay. Please be careful.
I think the arm is broken.
Is my arm broken, Mom?
We need to take a picture first.
Hold very still, Tom.
I'll try.
They're taking a picture of Tom's arm.
Does it hurt more?
The picture shows inside his arm.
Like a photo?
Yes, exactly like a photo.
Tom, your arm is broken,
Broken.
but I can fix it.
Will it hurt to fix it?
I'll give you medicine first. The medicine stops the pain.
Will I have a cast? Yes, a special hardcover.
You can write on his cast later.
Can I have Lily write on it?
His arm is broken, Ben.
But they can fix it?
Yes, he's being so brave.
Of course he is. He's Tom.
Mom, the pain is going.
Good, the medicine is helping.
Thank you, Doctor.
What color cast do you want?
Blue, my favorite.
Good choice, Tom.
Is the cast heavy?
A little heavy, but strong.
It feels warm, Mom.
Yes, that's normal, sweetheart. All done, Tom. Look at that.
Wow, it's really blue. Lily, look at my blue cast. Oh, wow, Tom, it's so cool.
I'm so proud of you, buddy.
I was really scared, Dad.
Being scared is okay, Tom.
It is?
And you were still brave.
I'm writing. Get better now. Thank you, Lily.
The bone will heal in 6 weeks.
6 weeks, he'll be completely fine.
Should he rest at home? Yes, rest for 2 days. No more jumping off walls, Tom.
I know. I'm sorry. I didn't listen to my dad.
Next time, listen, okay?
I will.
Can we go home now?
Yes, let's go home.
Lily, I'm sorry I didn't listen.
It's okay, Tom. I'm glad you're okay.
We're going home, team.
I feel very tired.
Rest on me, Tom.
Welcome home, champion.
Sit here, Tom. I'll get a pillow.
Can I watch TV?
Let's make Tom something nice.
Can I help? Tom loves soup.
Good idea, Lily.
Mom, look. The cast is cool.
It is cool, Tom.
Will my friends sign it too? Everyone will want to sign it. We made you soup, Tom. My favorite. Thank you.
We're all together. That's what matters.
Yes, together.
Tom, do you know why you got hurt?
Because I jumped off the wall.
Because you didn't listen.
I didn't listen to you, Dad.
That's right.
I'm sorry, Dad.
I forgive you, Tom.
You're not angry?
I was scared for you today.
You were scared too?
Yes, I was very scared. Because I love you, Tom.
I love you too, Dad. Mom, I learned something today.
Tell me, Lily.
It's important to listen.
Yes, very important. Tom knows that now. You were very brave today, Lily.
Me? Tom was the brave one.
You were brave too. You stayed with Tom. You called for help.
I was scared too.
Doing the right thing when scared. That is brave.
Time for sleep, champion.
Okay, I'm very tired. Good night, Tom. Sleep well. Good night, Lily. Thank you.
Mom, today was scary.
Yes, it was. But I'm okay now.
And tomorrow will be better.
Promise?
I promise.
He's asleep already. Good.
He needs rest.
That was a hard day.
Yes, but we're okay. Thank you for being so calm.
You were strong too, Amy.
Morning! My arm still hurts, but less.
Tom, you're up.
I'm hungry! He's back to normal.
I can't cut my food, Lily.
I'll help you. Give it to me.
Thank you, Lily. That's what family does.
Good morning, my brave children.
I will listen next time. I really will, Dad.
I know you will, Tom.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes, but no jumping this time.
Good choice, Tom.
Our family can handle anything.
Together.
Did you enjoy this story? Please like and subscribe. Tell us below.